Shout out to Hound, Louder 101, Nick James, Drip, App Boys, and whoever else wants shoutouts on their channel. So I'm gonna go to people freaking art book because sometimes their channel is on a art book sometimes, like mine. Alright, shout out to her channel. Subscribe to her. Tell her that I sent you. Okay, I'm gonna subscribe to her channel. So I'm gonna put it on my tablet first, and then I'm gonna put it on a computer, so you guys can see how her channel looks like. But I think I described to Wickle. Yeah. But I think I described to her channel. I don't know. So I'm not sure. And I just thank you. Fudge. Try to find it. Damn. This. Yay. By the way, guys, sorry I haven't done any MSP videos. I've just been doing videos that you guys requested on my art book that I created called List of Games. So far, give me this. Elizabeth, hey girl. Okay. Can you give me a shout out? Shout out to Elizabeth. She's so sweet and amazing. Okay, let me see if I spell. I spelled that right. Wait, let me put MSP because then I would get it. Did she? I don't know. I don't know. This is her. Hold up. Take that out. I don't know. This is you. Okay, hold up. No, this is not you. Let me see this one. Oh my god. Girl. Do I have to find you somewhere? Okay. I don't know if this is you. But probably not. Thank you. Oh my goodness, guys. I'm gonna go cray cray when people describe to me, I swear. Let's see if I can reach my goal to at least get to 100 subscribers. Guys, will you help me on that? Can like get like a lot of 100 subscribers? Can we get it? I have 8. Somebody is texting me, so you know, she gets the point. She has 9 now. So to subscribe to her, she have 9 subscribers now. Sure. Been a long time since you subscribe. I mean, trade. Damn it. Anyways, guys, also friend her. She's a great friend. She's amazing. Also friend her. Friend Hound too. Friend Tessa and Annabelle. Also subscribe to her channel too. She has one. It's exactly her user. Her channel is actually her user, so subscribe to her. And I haven't done this one. Okay. Let me see how much subscribers. No, 60. Y'all, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. And guys, this is actually a picture of me and my dear friend. We acting like ridiculous. Alright, let's get Cyrus in here. Come on, like let's get my dear friend in here. Aww. So yeah guys, and yes guys, I do have Facebook. I just don't want you to know. What outside? And yes, he's a silly goose. Yo, you do know I'm recording, right? So basically, basically, you guys just saw him as a silly goose. I'm gonna change the name to give me a list of games. Change the name. Oh, that's pretty. Also, shout out to this girl. She's pretty cool. Okay. Game. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Okay. Okay. Yeah. What here? What here? I don't get it. Oh shit. So you know I better can hear you, but you know that's just me. Color. Seriously? Shout out to her. Also shout out um to Gif. She also have a YouTube channel, but since me and her don't talk that much, or she doesn't record that much, so I just don't know. Hola. Let me see if I can text her and get her to, yeah, to, yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. What's up, sir? Yo. I totally don't look pretty. Oh my goodness. Um. No. And again, guys, please give me a list of. What the heck? I don't even know what's that game. Alex. Oh, Alex Madness Return. I will try that game. Alex the Madness Return. Somebody requested. Which is my dear friend that I shout out to. She requested that. Oh shit. I'm recording shoutouts and you're on YouTube. Yeah, you're on YouTube right now. When I'm done with this video, you're gonna be on YouTube. Watch your bet. Watch your bet. Some people might friend you because I give you a shout out. I don't know. We'll see. Oh my god, guys, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. You guys are so awesome. Okay, I'm gonna write that on the list. Just oh my goodness. And also shout out to Jake Ralph. Shout out to him. I haven't given him a shout out lately, or he hasn't done no videos, but subscribe to his channel. His channel is Dylan Wolf, of course. He deserves a shout out. And shout out to Kiss Kate, please. And sorry if I say your username wrong. Yeah? Okay. So, bye YouTube. I see you guys tomorrow because I'm going to record Alamo Jam and then the next day, God, Alex Madness Return. So, see y'all later. Subscribe to my channel. Also, subscribe to Hound channel. Bye. Shout to her. She, yeah. Huh?